Turkey continues to strengthen its position as a leader in drone innovation with the Bayraktar KIZILELMA, the first unmanned fighter jet developed entirely by Baykar. The KIZILELMA production prototype, identified by its tail number TCZB3, recently completed a crucial test flight at the Akinci Flight Training and Test Center in Tekirdağ. This milestone test was part of an intensive schedule designed to refine the aircraft's design and capabilities, signaling a significant step forward in unmanned aviation. Launched in 2021 and funded entirely by Baykar, the project has made remarkable progress. The aircraft has undergone significant upgrades, including a strengthened structure to enhance its durability and combat effectiveness. An advanced avionics system has been implemented, allowing seamless integration of cutting-edge technologies. Additionally, a new afterburner engine enables the KIZILELMA to approach supersonic speeds with remarkable agility, while AESA radar technology enhances situational awareness, making the aircraft capable of executing the most complex air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. In May 2023, the KIZILELMA demonstrated its exceptional operational capabilities during TEKNOFEST. It flew in formation with Bayraktar Akinci drones, F-16 Solidifying fighters, and Turkish Stars F-5 jets over Istanbul, showcasing its ability to function alongside manned aircraft in a coordinated display of air power. The KIZILELMA also stands out for its ability to operate from short runway-based vessels, such as Turkey's TCG Anadolu amphibious assault ship. This feature significantly enhances Turkey's maritime defense strategy, known as the Blue Homeland, and expands its potential for overseas missions. Measuring 14.7 meters in length with a wingspan of 10 meters, the Bayraktar KIZILELMA boasts impressive technical specifications. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 6,000 kilograms and a payload capacity of 1,500 kilograms, allowing it to carry a wide variety of precision-guided and air-to-air missiles. With a speed approaching Mach 0.9 plus and an operational range of 930 kilometers, the aircraft can reach altitudes exceeding 35,000 feet and stay airborne for over 5 hours. Equipped with artificial intelligence, the KIZILELMA can autonomously prioritize targets, make real-time decisions, and coordinate with other military assets. This makes it highly adaptable to diverse battlefield conditions, further establishing it as a symbol of technological excellence. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA opens a new chapter in modern air warfare, following the successes of platforms like the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci. Its stealth capabilities, operational flexibility, and advanced features minimize radar visibility and maximize survivability in combat scenarios. With high export potential, this aircraft is expected to draw significant interest in the global defense market, solidifying Turkey's position as a key player in the international defense industry. The successful test flight of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA is more than a milestone for Turkey. It is a defining moment for the future of unmanned combat aircraft. Through continuous testing and development, Baykar is ensuring that the KIZILELMA is poised to deliver a strategic edge in modern warfare.